Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll enable picture-in-picture now, then open the app so PyP can start. First, go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access, and turn on Picture-in-Picture for your target app. This gives the system permission to create the mini window. Once done, open the supported video or navigation app and start playback. Make sure to use the Home button or the app's PyP button. Pressing Home tells Android to shrink the player into a detachable overlay so you can continue multitasking. Now control and position the PyP window for effective multitasking. You can drag the mini player to any corner of the screen. Some devices let you pinch to resize the window, which changes its aspect ratio. Tap the PyP window to expose playback controls and an expand button that returns you to full screen. Additionally, long press or use the app's overflow menu for extra actions. Keep in mind, some manufacturers limit combining split screen and PyP, so choose the mode that fits your workflow. Finish up by closing or restoring the PyP window when you're done. Drag the mini player to the screen edge or tap its close icon to dismiss it, or press expand to return to full screen. If PyP refuses to start, verify the app's PyP permission and that your Android version supports it. Clear the app cache or reinstall the app to reset its behavior. And if controls disappear or the overlay glitches, restart the device and install pending OS or app updates. This often resolves stubborn PyP issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.